Hello students, as I told you that we will see the practical demonstration of class and ID. Here is the output of our practical demonstration. This is the example of the ID, and this Nasik, Mumbai and Pune, these are the examples of the class. You will see here these three cities having the same effect and this class having the different effect. This data under Nasik, Mumbai and Pune, it is just provided for your information. That is the basic difference in between class and ID. Now let us see its coding. Here doc type HTML style is specified under head tag. Then here I use this special character as /star and at the end also // which indicate the comment. Comment means non-executable part within your program. Here data is provided only for your information that style the element with the ID my header. That is, my header is used to provide the effects to the ID. Then ID is specified by using the hash sign, hash my header. Then open the ID by using the curly opening bracket. And then the effects are background color. Background color are again two words, and these two words are combined by using the dash sign. Background color, then colon, provides the value as light blue. Okay, then provided the semicolon. Background color is light blue, then color is blue. That means the text color is blue. Padding is 40 pixel. That means this cell wall and the distance of the data is 40 pixel. Then text align is center, and then ended the ID with the ending curly bracket. These effects will be implemented for the ID my header. Okay, now just define the effects for our class. Here style all elements with the class name city. In our program or in our theoretical part, we used intro as a class. Here I used class name as a city. Okay, then dot city, open the class, then background color as tomato, color as white, that is text color white, and text padding is 10 pixel. After that ended the style, ended the head and started the body tag. Okay, that means before specifying the body tag, in style tag we provided the effects for ID my header and class city. Okay, now let's give the example of ID. Here this sign is again used as a comment. You can use this sign or this sign, or you can use just // like this also. Okay, you can provide any sign within these three for the comment. This is the unique element, that is ID. H1 ID is my header and data is difference between class and ID. Here you will get the output, difference between class and ID. Background color is sky blue, data color is blue at the center position, and what is that, padding is 40 pixel. Okay, this distance is 40 pixel. Now let's move forward for the class. Here multiple similar elements can be specified using the class. Here H2 selector is used and class is city, and first provided city is Nasik, and under that Nasik I have provided the information as HTML page can only have one Here information provided is an HTML page can only have one unique ID applied to one specific element. Then second class or second city is used with the similar class, that is H2 class equal to city, and provided city is Mumbai, and again provided information is P, while a class name can be applied to multiple elements. Then third city is Pune, again having the class as city, and then provided some information, that is above two P tags are combined here, that is only for information. Okay, that means here we used same effects for Nasik as well as Mumbai as well as Pune, and you will have the output like this. Background color is tomato, then font color is white, and padding is 10 pixel. Okay, that means with the same effects or by specifying the same effect at a time in our program, we can use it at multiple places when class is specified, and when we use ID, it is implemented only to the specific element. Okay, got the difference? ID कशासाठी? फक्त specific element साठी, आणि class कशासाठी? Group of elements साठी. Okay, I think you got it. We will stop here.